Welcome to our video on introducing Spark. In today's session, we'll explore what Spark is, the problems it solves, why it's better than other alternative tools, who should learn Spark, and the prerequisites needed to learn PySpark. So what exactly is Spark? Spark is an open-source distributed computing system designed for big data processing. It provides a unified analytics engine for processing large-scale data sets and performing parallel computations. Spark addresses the challenges of working with big data by offering high-speed, in-memory processing capabilities. It efficiently handles complex data processing tasks, including data transformation, machine learning, graph processing, and real-time stream processing. Now, let's talk about the problem Spark solves. Traditional data processing systems often struggle to handle large volumes of data and perform computations in a timely manner. Spark overcomes these limitations by distributing the data across a cluster of machines and processing it in parallel. This distributed computing model allows Spark to process data much faster than traditional systems, making it ideal for big data analytics and real-time processing. So why do we need Spark when there are other alternative tools available? Spark offers several advantages that set it apart from other tools. Firstly, it provides fault tolerance and reliability by automatically recovering from failures, ensuring data integrity and job completion. Secondly, Spark's in-memory processing capability allows it to cache frequently accessed data, reducing disk I/O and significantly improving performance. This makes Spark well-suited for iterative algorithms and interactive data analysis. Thirdly, Spark's versatility allows it to seamlessly integrate with various data sources and frameworks, including Hadoop, Cassandra, and SQL databases. It also provides extensive libraries for machine learning, graph processing, and streaming analytics. And it provides APIs for multiple programming languages, including Python, Java, Scala, and R, making it accessible to a wide range of developers. Now, who should learn Spark? Spark is particularly valuable for data engineers, data scientists, and big data professionals who deal with large-scale data processing. It empowers them to efficiently process, analyze, and derive insights from massive data sets. Lastly, let's talk about the prerequisites needed to learn PySpark. While previous experience with distributed computing systems or big data concepts is beneficial, it's not mandatory. However, having a solid understanding of programming fundamentals and some knowledge of Python will be helpful when working with PySpark. That wraps up our introduction to Spark. In our upcoming videos, we'll delve deeper into Spark's components, core concepts, and practical examples. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our Spark tutorial series. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.